Alright, so in this video I'll be taking you through the process on how you can use Canva to create a lot of things. Okay, there are a lot of things you can do with this app I'm about to explain to you. It's called the Canva app. Okay, it has a website, and it also have the app. You can see the app over here. This is the app. So you can see this is the Canva app here. You can download it from the Google Play Store, and it also have the website. You can browse it through your Chrome browser. Look at it. So if I want to, I already have the app installed. So if I go to my Chrome browser, all I have to do is to just type in Canva. Okay, canva.com, and all I have to do is to log in. Okay, I like to load, and this is how it is. If you have not logged in, it will ask you to log in. All you need to do is to log in with your email. Okay, so you can see. So let me say login. All you need to do, if you're starting for the first time, I've already logged in. Okay, but let me log in again. Click on login, and what you want to do next is to make sure you use your Google account. Okay, log in with Google. Yours might show different interface, but don't worry, it's the same procedure. Okay, if you have different email, it will pop up, so just use the one you want to use. So let me use this first one. I click on it, it's loading, and boom, this is the account. Okay, this is how the account is. This is how the account is. Okay, you can accept all cookies. Yeah, this is how the account is. Now the next thing you want to do is to make sure you can use the app like this. Okay, they are telling me to upgrade. Okay, now mind you, this is look at what they say. Take a look at our premium feature. Over 100 million premium photos, videos, elements, 3,000 premium fonts, 6,000, 1,000 templates. Okay, now there are a lot of things you can do with this app. There are a lot of things. Let me walk you through the process. Okay, so first thing first, you want to come in. Once you log in, if you come here, you see this is your account. Okay, you can see account name. I'm already in a pro team. Okay, maybe they just want me to upgrade. You can see pro team. Okay, all right, so this is it. Now when you come in, if you check this hub here, look at this hub here. I think let me use the app. Let me log in and use the app. You can use the website, you can use the app. Me, I prefer using the app. Okay, okay, let me use the app. This is the app here. Let me use the app. You can download the app from Play Store. Let me see whether that notification will still be showing below. You can see from the app everything is okay. Very good. So if you don't have space in your phone, you can use the website, but if you have space, you can use the app. So I normally use the app. So here are some templates I've created already. Here are some of my recent design I did with this app. You can see this one. It's loading. Let me show you some of the flyers I did. Now I did this design. This is a recent design I did using this app. Okay, it's loading. All right, so this is it. So I'll go back to my home page, click this up. Now if you come to this region, you see social, you see video, you see presentation. If you slide, you will see doc and so forth. Whiteboard, you can see website and so forth. All right, so there are a lot of things you can do with this app, but what I want you to focus on here is the flyer aspect. You can see if you come to Instagram now, I think you can see a lot of Instagram posts. And the beauty part of this Canva is that There are already templates, thousands of templates. If I go on and on, you can see. If I click on all, you can see there are thousands of templates. It does not mean, or it does not matter if you're a graphic designer. All you have to do, you can just come here and look for a template you like. Okay, and all you need to do is to just model it. You can see, you can click on create blank. You can just choose any other one. Look at it. You can click on create blank. You can just choose any other one. So that's how it is. So you can see this is for, you can see, you can use a video. You can see Instagram post. This is picture aspect. You can see your stories. You can see if you want to create reel, you can select from here. You can see story. I see it. This side is for, then the next one is logo. You can see if you want to create logo, you can just come here and choose any one that you like, then edit it. Yeah, you can see Facebook post. You can just anyone you like, anyone you like. You can see flyer, anyone you like. I see it. So if you want to create Instagram story, you can see I see it. So amazing. So there are a lot of templates. All you need to do, poster, you can see. The mobile video, you can see I seen them. Even if you want to create reel, all these short reel, motivational, inspirational, just come here, click on it and edit it. I seen it. So if you want to create invitation card too, if you want to brand t-shirts, you can see. If you want to create YouTube thumbnail, that is the picture you see before the YouTube video shows. That is what is called YouTube thumbnail. You can see. So you can see photo wallpaper. Then if you want to create presentation with your phone, like as I'm doing now, if you want it to be showing on slide, you can see, you can come to presentation and select the one you like. You can see documents, you can see Facebook cover photo. All you have to do is to just click and edit. You can see business card, you can see videos and so forth. Right, so let me quickly open one. Let's start with one. Let's go for Instagram post. For instance, if I click on see all, it will take me to this interface where I can decide to just edit it. Let me show you. Now when you open any of them, you can decide to create blank. Now if I click on create blank, this is how it's going to be. Okay, let me explain this so that you don't get it complicated. Right, now this is how it will be. This is your interface. So anything you want to design will be inside here. Right, so it will be inside here. So for instance, if I want to design anything, I can just click on this plus button. Let me go back. Look at it. If I click on this plus button, I can choose. You can see replace, you can see color, you can see layout and all the rest. So for instance, let me click on this plus button. If I want to add text, you can see below here, you can see design, you can see element and shape you can put in your design. Okay, you can select any element. For instance, I want to select this shape. I can just bring it to my, then I click aside and click on it. See, I can use this edge. You can see this dot at the edge, this dot at the edge, this one. So you can use it to drag, you can use it to drag it, want it to fill up. Okay, you can see, you can use it to drag. Then want to make sure it touches the line that is in it. Let it show that pink line. I see, very good. Then you can decide to change this color. If you want to change this color, you can see this place they say color below. Click on it and you can decide to, I see this is the color palette. You can decide to choose red. See, it's not showing the color. Let me click aside. I think it's highlighted, that's why. Hold on, let me show you. Alright, so if I click on it now, if I click on color, if I click on red, it's red now. I see it. So that's how it is. So let me put it on red. I seen it. Very good. So if I want to write on this, if I want to create a write up, I'll just come to this test. I seen test, click on test, just click on test. Now I can use either the hard heading or hard subheading, or I can use any of these created templates. But one thing you need to note, anytime you see this pro, you cannot access it because why? You are using the free version. Okay, myself, I'm using the pro version, so I can use anyone that has pro. I already created a video on how to create a Canva Pro account. Okay, I'll be dropping the link in the description of this video, so go check it out. Then if you want to hard test, click on this hard test. Okay, then you can write something. Let's say business coach. I seen it. Click on it. You can increase it. Look at this top. The one for the side is to drag it, while the one at the dot is to increase and decrease. Are you seeing it? You can increase it, you can decrease it. Alright, it's always advisable you centralize your text. Let me put it at the middle. Then I can decide to change this color of the text as well from black to white. I'll come to color and I will choose white. Click on this. I seen it. Very good. I can decide to change this font. I seen font. If I want to write something again, I can click on edit, then I can enter, then write my name. Alright, so let's say this is what I want to write. I can decide to delete it, I can decide to duplicate it, I can decide to delete it. If I want to come back, look at this arrow at the top here. Maybe I delete something accidentally, I can just come here and click on it, it will come back. If I click on it again, it will go back. If I click on it, if I click on this, I see it. That's how you go back, and this is how you come front. Alright, so that is it. If I want to change this font, all I have to do is come to font, then I can select from this font here. Now also this place they have anywhere you see crown is a premium version. So if you are in the premium, you can use it. If you are in the free version, avoid it. You can use it. Even if you use it, you can save the work, right? So that is it. You can just see, you can just play around with it. I seen it. You can just play around. So you can now click on it. Always click the outside. Always click the outside to go back. Just click outside your design to go back. Then you click the center to drag it. Okay. Uh, you can move it to the middle. Let me see if it's in the middle. It's now in the middle. Look at that. It's in that line now. It's in the middle. So it's either easier to put it in the middle. I come to this place. They say position. I seen it. I can say align. Now say center. I seen it. It's now in the middle. Okay. Believe you're following. Yeah. So that is it. So I'm still going to put it at the middle position. Align. Middle center. Okay, so that is the center. All right, let me drag it manually and see. It's at the middle. Okay, let me click on, let me remove this. Yeah, that's why it's not really at the middle, but there's space below that I not put well. Okay, now it's at the middle. I seen it. So that is it. Business coach. So if I want to add something, I click on this plus over here. I can come to gallery. Gallery is my phone. That means I have to take some. If I want to upload something from my phone, I just click on that gallery option and select any picture I want to upload. Okay, so that is it. I can just click on that recent, then go to my phone and select wherever I want the picture from. Okay, For instance, if I need picture from here, this is my phone, right? So that's my phone gallery. Let me just select any picture. Let me select this one. I click on add page. I see it. That is it. So that's how to add your picture. You can drag it. You can drag it. You can decide to reduce it if you want. Let me reduce it. Alright. Let me put it at the middle, below. Yeah. So something like this. Right. So if I want to add another page, I can just click here. If I don't want to add, I can just go back. I can duplicate this page. I click on the plus again. You can see I can add, I can upload again, I can draw, I can add object and all the rest. But those ones are not important. The things we'll be using most is, you see this gallery, you see this elements. This element is where you can select. You can just search whatever you're looking for here. Let's say you're looking for house. Just search it here in elements and you can see houses will come up. I seen it. Anyone you see with Pro, don't touch it. You can see houses here. Now you can see. So if I decide to use this house, let me say I want to use this one. This one is a frame. It means I can put my picture inside this frame. I seen it. So let me bring it up. I can now drag this my picture and put it inside the frame. I seen it. I can click on the frame to edit it. If I double click, I seen it. I can drag, can rearrange my picture inside. I can reduce it, I can increase it. I seen it. So I can drag my picture. I click on done. It's not well arranged. Okay, let me double click on it again. I also tap twice. Let me arrange my face well. Let me leave it like this. So you can see I decide to carry the house now. I can decide to bring it down. I seen it. So that is that. So if you want to add more text, you can duplicate this. You can see this plus here is duplicate. You can drag it to this up. You can edit it. Click on edit. You can write your name. You can reduce it. I seen it. You can reduce it. Put it in the middle. You can change the color. You can change the color to black or blue. Let me use blue. Or yellow. Let me use yellow. Right, so I can cancel to come back. Click outside. Very good. I seen it. So that is that. So I can click on this plus again if I want to add anything. So if I don't want to add, I can just come back here. I seen it. So anything I click, I can change the shape. I seen I can add line, I can add font. If I want to bold the text like this one, if I want to make it bold, I seen text style. I can change the style. If it's heading or subheading, let me make it heading. I can make it subheading. I can make it body. I seen it. That is for text style. This is heading, so let me reduce it. I can also reduce it from this place they say font size. I seen it. Can easily and reduce it. Just drag it down. I seen it. Then I can position it. Click on it. I can use this rotate to turn it any angle I want. Okay. Can use this arrow to direct it to any side I want. I can just rotate it. Can now bring it to the middle any I want it. I seen it. So that's it. So if I want to save this, I'll just click on this save. Meanwhile, before I save, I can rename it. If I click on this three dots here, you can see here it's already named, so I can just say Steven Endurance. Click outside, drag it down. I've renamed it. Okay, so if I want to add other things, let me click this text first and show you some other things. You can see the font. I've showed you font, I've showed you color. If I click on this bold, you can see the text is already, the format does not support bold. So you can see you can make it italic, you can make it underline, you can make it, if it's a paragraph, you can put it left, and you can put it center, you can put it, you can justify it and all the rest. You can just play around with all this. Okay, let me remove the underline, let me remove the italic, cancel. Okay, so you can see, so you can just play around with all this. If you want to have more elements, you can add. If you want to draw, if you want to upload, if you want to put design, and so forth, right? So that is that for that. So if I want to save this, I can just click on this arrow. If I click this one, it will just save direct. If I want to change the saving format, I can just use this last one here. Click on it, you see download. Click on download, and you will see, you can use here, you can see these are all the formats you can use to download: JPEG, PNG, PDF, standard, PDF print, but on the default is PNG. Okay, so you can just leave everything and come down and click download. You can see it will just download to your phone. So it will just download to your phone. It's as simple as that. So I believe this is well explained. All right. So it's already on my phone. So if I go to my phone gallery now, I will see it. There's my phone gallery. If I go to my phone gallery now, I will see the picture I just downloaded. I see it. This is it here. I see it. So this is the picture I just edit. This is what I just edited from Canva. These are other things I did with the same app. Okay. All right. So that is that for that.